Jet engine. You may have traveled in aircrafts. Did you ever imagine how the aircraft gets the thrust force to move forward? Let's have a peek. There are several types of engines designed for aircrafts. Heavy and larger aircrafts are facilitated with jet engines. This is a cross section of a jet engine. The front opening of the engine is wider than the rear opening, just like in a car. The rotor fixed at front compresses the air into the combustion chamber. Even though the ratio of compression differs according to the engine, the usual compression ratio will be 20:1. You can see a rear rotor of jet engine in this photo.
Next approach is injecting fuel into the compressed air in the combustion chamber. By the fuel combustion inside the combustion chamber, the pressure inside is increased. The pressure inside releases to the atmosphere through the turbine and then the rear opening, resulting in a massive speed. Due to the rapid airflow, turbine keeps rotating faster. The turbine and the front rotor are rigidly connected to each other with a shaft. As the turbine rotates, so does the rotor. Consequently, to the above-mentioned cyclical action, a speedy airflow is released to the atmosphere. According to the Newton's third law, a thrust force is generated on the engine, which moves the aircraft forward.
Science Talk Global. This channel consists of interesting science and technology videos for all the knowledge enthusiasts. More videos will be uploaded in future regarding latest and historically valuable technologies of science, engineering and history. Stay tuned.